Yes, I found another awesome product on Aliexpress and it costs $6 and it comes in different colors, in transparent, orange. This is pink with orange, purple with blue, blue, and also have a video. And what it says, it's an outdoor, windproof, double arc pulse flameless lighter, flashlight, compass, multifunctional lighter, LED display, sealed, waterproof it says. And because it have a very cool design, of course I ordered it and I got it. I see bubbles! Oh yeah! Ooh. Why I love bubbles? Because I can pop them up and I enjoy in the sound. Ooh. Okay. Here it is. Oh. Nothing more. Type-C USB charging cable, a short one, okay. And I like this foam that is placed on the power button, so can't accidentally be turned on and drain the battery. Alright. Take a look at that purple with blue color on the transparent case. And it's smooth. I can feel that the plastic is nice. So let me tell you something about this gadget. Besides it have a compass on the top of the gadget, on the bottom we have a flashlight, and I love the transparent case where you can see the electronics. Also we have a LED display for battery indicator, the power button. Alright, let's turn on. With one press of the button you activated the light, and it's pretty strong. Here it is showing it's dropping very fast. Why? 77, 76, 75. Maybe it's not charged. Never mind. Flashing LED, and that's it. Alright. High, low, flashing. And take a look what it says. Windproof double arc ignition. Oh, LED spotlight wide range. Precision compass, enjoy the adventure. IP56 waterproof. We're gonna check that. Digital charge cigarette light count display. RGB colorful light effect, cool technology. Okay, so we have a security switch right here. You need to turn this down, press it. Oh, I love it that RGB LEDs are turned on and showing the percentage of the battery. And right here we have the lighting arc or lighter. How to turn off? Maybe this one? Nope, it's the flashlight. How? Hold it? No, I don't get it. Oh, we have the Type-C charging port right here. That's why I can't see it. You need to open it and charge it right here. How? I don't understand how. Oh! You need to... Here it is. And we have a LED effect, meaning that it's turned on. Can you see the arc? Ooh. Nice. Can I burn wood. Yes. Take a look. A fire. Okay. I like it. Let's try to light up a paper. How to turn? You need to close it. Open, then. Very fast. Time for testing. It says that is waterproof. Okay. Let's power on. Woo! Working, of course. Beautiful. Yes. Let's see how much current is pulling this thing while charging. I love doing that. Okay. And what it says? 200 milliamperes. That is not too much, but depends on how much big is the battery inside. And I'm gonna do a video review, another video review of that. I'm gonna disassemble the whole gadget, but not today. Okay, let's remove this. Okay. And I love the transparent case where I can see the electronics, and I can see two MOSFETs, and those are NP40N10. That is a 40 amperes MOSFET. It's probably for the electric lighter right here. Can you hear it? Ooh. I'm gonna try to melt the soldering tin. What do you think? Is it possible? Let's find out. What? Look! It's melting soldering tin. This is powerful. Should I touch it? Nah. Who will record new videos every day? Touch it? No. So for $6 from Aliexpress, and of course the link will be in the description below so you can check it, you will receive a gadget with compass, with 3-mode flashlight, okay, and this electric lighter. When you press it, also the LEDs are with effect, an electric lighter, of course. Ooh, with double secure switch. Nice. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!